all. In this video, we are going to discuss about continued pre-training to make LLM learn a new language. So, our new language is kind of fictionally low resource language. So, we're going to use Tiny LLM with 1.1b parameters, which has 1.1b parameters. And after installing required libraries, we're gonna load the model in a 4-bit precision using Onslaught. This keeps the model light and fast on collab. And we also set up the pad token to match the EOS token. And then we're gonna create a fictional language. So we define a small corpus of made-up sentences that simulate a low resource language. These are output for continued pre-training. And then to understand our language, we just plot the distribution of sentence lengths and print a few examples. So this helps our dataset is balanced and ready for training. And then we tokenized a corpus using Tiny Llama tokenizer and prepare it for training. We also copy the input IDs to labels for next token prediction training. And then we prepare our model for training by applying LoRa adapters. This allows us to fine-tune only a small set of parameters, making training fast and memory efficient. And then we define a training configuration using Hugging Face training arguments, and we use trainer for language modeling and without masking. Therefore, we'll be doing casual modeling. And then we set batch size, learning rate, and train for 5 epochs, capped at 100 steps. After now, we start the continued pre-training using a fictional corpus. Since the dataset is small, we use LoRa. Training finishes uh, in less time. And after that, once training completes, we save both the model and tokenizer so they can be reused or exported. And after that, to test our model, we use a made up sentence. So the model generates a continuation using what is learned from our fictional corpus, and then we extract the training loss values and plot them over time. So this helps us visualize how well the model learned during the short pre-training phase, and then we check how long our input sentence are after tokenization. So this is helpful when planning training parameters like max sequence length. And then we're gonna run it on a few couple more examples to evaluate how the model responds to different fictional prompts. And after that, finally, we display a side-by-side table of fictional sentences and their possible intended English translations. So this helps us evaluate how meaningful the generated responses are. Thank you.